So hey everybody, welcome back to the Canny Nana. I thought I'd show you a little bit different of a video today. This is in front of my house. So we're kind of trapped in here for a few days. We can get out. We have another way to get out, and we've got parking down the street. It's a mess, but yeah, this is they're resurfacing our street. This is right in front of my driveway, so I can't get a car out or anything. Yeah, didn't think it was going to be like this. So if you can see, that's how much they put it down there. Got a plane going overhead, but yep, the whole street is lovely, lovely, lovely. Yep, this is my front yard, front driveway right here. Huh. Yeah, so interesting. That goes all the way down. So there's no parking for all of these houses, and luckily a few houses on this side have a driveway, but not many do. A couple across the street over here have a driveway, but not many people on this block have driveways. We have alley parking. Well, they have alley parking. They have garages on their alleys, both sides. So this street and then the other street over there, all alley parking. So in the afternoons, this street is packed, jam-packed with cars. So it's been a disaster. This is the first morning we woke up to this. Happy November. Yeah, so I'm not really thrilled to death, but hey, I have everything I need, thankfully. Stocked up on food. We do need water, but we'll probably go get water. We have our van parked out where we can get to it. So yeah, I don't know what they do in case of an emergency or something like that for disabled. That was my concern when we first heard about this just a couple days ago, yesterday actually. So yeah, for the people, there's a lot of elderly people on this block, and I'm not sure what they do for disabled that can't get out of their houses. I'm not sure. But I am going to call the city and find out, because we do have a lot of people in wheelchairs and scooters going up and down this street that live here. So yeah, so thankful that we have food and my Thrive Life. I mean, these are the little emergencies that happen, you guys, that you can be just totally unprepared for. My husband just closed down our trailer, and we have food in that, so we can't get it out of the driveway, of course. So in an emergency, I mean, what happens if there's an earthquake right now, you know? Nobody can get out. I guess we get neighbors and dig them out of their driveways. Interesting. So, and it's supposed to rain. We have clouds up here, beautiful clouds. It's a really, I mean, it actually feels like November right now. So yeah, so different kind of day, different kind of video. Just thought I'd share though. Very different. Not gonna let it upset me. It's hopefully the street is supposed to be open later tonight, so we'll see. This is only supposed to be like this until 5 tonight. So we'll see, you guys. Yeah, and we'll go from there. So thankfully, I have a turkey that I need to can and get soup started. So I guess I'm going to do that today. So yeah, so city of Oxnard. Yeah, not real happy with you. What do you do in an emergency, guys? You know, really. And the dust is awful. It's asphalt. It smells awful. I'm sure it's going to smell even worse when it goes on here, but already, I mean, it's a little bit windy, so my allergies are getting to me, but just being out here for a few minutes, guys, not good. So anyway, just wanted to share what we're going through. I'll see you in a little bit. I know, not the kind of video I normally do, but hey, I do real life videos, and this is our life right now. So look at that. But we'll have a nice new street when it's done, right? So, because it's pretty deep down there. I mean, you can see all the way down there. Not sure how delivery drivers are going to get through here. We have a lot of people delivering like groceries and stuff and food, and so yeah, be interesting week to come. Okay, you guys, I'll see you soon. And let's see, word for the day. How about emergency food? Today is the last day of the Thrive Life sale, And here's a really good reason to be stocked up on food in case of something like this and you can't get out of your house. I mean, who knows when stuff like this is going to happen? Yes, you can prepare for it, but can you have a week's worth of food ready in your pantry? Just ready to go, you know, at a moment's notice. Yeah, not many people can. So if you can, dehydrate, get freeze-dried food by Thrive Life. My link's below. Today's the last day of the sale, like I said. 20 to 50% off. You guys don't miss out on that sale. Prepare any way you can, because life's little emergencies like this kind of take you by surprise. And we've been having a lot of earthquakes nearby. Nothing here that we've felt, but I'm concerned because of that. So, I mean, we do have another way out, but we don't have a vehicle. So, interesting day. So just thought I'd share. So the word of the day is going to be emergency preparedness. How's that? Oh, there goes the sun. So emergency preparedness, you guys. Let me know if you guys are prepared for the week, or for a week's worth at least of emergency food. We have over a year supply in all different little places. So, you know, not just in our home, but where we can get to it and, you know, where we need to. So, comment the word of the day, and I will see you guys soon.